Hi everyone, Patrick here, Head of Sales Engineering at ALTR. In this video, I want to give you a quick look at one of the most powerful capabilities in the ALTR platform, our Sidecar. The ALTR Sidecar sits between your applications and transactional databases, serving as the security monitor and guard for traffic authorization. The Sidecar replaces sensitive application credentials with secure, short-lived impersonated access. That means no embedded passwords, no credential sprawl, and no risky overexposure in production. Register the ALTR Sidecar to mimic privileged database users, then assign via policy. Data consumers access secure tokens that can be plugged into their data connection strings so they can connect securely. The ALTR Sidecar enforces fine-grained, policy-driven access at the data level. You can decide who can perform specific operations and under what conditions, tightening control without rewriting code or re-architecting your environment. Every query flowing into SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, and other databases is captured and correlated. You get real-time visibility into high-risk behavior, performance-impacting activity, and audit-ready evidence across your most critical systems. All of this is available in ALTR's unified single control plane, giving you the power to observe, investigate, and enforce protection in one place. If transactional databases power your business, the ALTR Sidecar delivers the control, security, and visibility modern data and security teams require. To see the full platform in action, visit us at altr.com/product tour or contact us directly for a personalized walkthrough.